This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Ford Ecosport handbrake. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage wheel chocks. You will need a few basic tools, including a jack, 2 jack stands, and a set of wrenches. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth adjustment process for your handbrake. Now, let's get access to the handbrake mechanism. Carefully lift the rear of your Ford Ecosport using a reliable jack, then place 2 sturdy jack stands under the vehicle for absolute safety. Once the vehicle is securely supported, remove both rear wheels. This will give you unobstructed access to the handbrake cables and the adjustment points located near the brake assemblies. With access gained, we can now adjust the handbrake. Locate the adjustment point, which is often a nut on the handbrake cable. First, loosen the lock nut, then slowly tighten the adjusting nut. As you tighten, periodically check the handbrake lever inside the cabin. Aim for the handbrake to engage firmly within 3 to 5 clicks. Ensure both rear wheels spin freely when the handbrake is fully released. Finally, it's time for testing and reassembly. After adjusting, test the handbrake lever multiple times to confirm proper engagement and release. Reinstall your rear wheels, ensuring all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. For a final check, perform a short road test, ideally on a slight incline, to ensure the handbrake holds the vehicle securely. Your handbrake should now be perfectly adjusted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.